and this wetsuit came in clutch.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am super excited. It came super fast. I got my new 5.4 millimeter wetsuit, full length, of course, by the company Hevto, I believe you pronounce it, Hevto. Just like all my videos, in the description box right below the video is going to be this exact same wetsuit linked up for you where you can read more about it and pick it up yourself after the video, of course. They do have a couple different colors. I got the red and black because...
Welcome to beautiful San Clemente. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the wetsuit. After using it for about 6 or 7 hours at the wave pool in Waco, Texas. We are now in San Clemente, California. Sun's coming out. Don't really need this unless you are super cold for here in this precise time of year, but the 5.4 was definitely nice for the Waco surf wave pool. Now, the pool got down to like 47 degrees. It was absolutely freezing cold, and this wetsuit came in clutch. I'm going to show you all the goodies, so stick with me here. First and foremost, this is a medium. I am 5'8", athletic, upper body build, muscular, 155. I have a medium on right here. It's a little bit looser right here, flexible. I wouldn't probably want to go anything smaller than this on my build, and let me go ahead and show you here. So, sleeves, very nice, able to tuck in to my gloves right here. I do wish that the sleeves as well as the ankles were a little bit tighter. Now, what do I mean by that? I just mean a little bit more wrapping around for tightness. Now, I have actually very thin wrists, so you guys might be completely fine, but I wish it was a little bit more tighter around the ankles and wrists. And I wish the ankles, I wish it was just a little bit longer. I had boots on and it was kind of coming up my boot as I was surfing. You might not have this problem, but it's just what happened to me. This is a review video. Now, if you're not using booties, probably absolutely no issue, but I just felt it creeping up my booty a little bit. Overall, it fits very nicely. Once again, kept me nice and warm. Let's go ahead and look at some surf footage right now of that chilly water at the Waco surf pool.
And what's so cool about this wetsuit I'm reviewing, I literally can look at the clips and I stand out from everybody. Red stripe, red stripe, red stripe. They literally have 3 clips of me thinking I'm a different person, so I get literally more clips for free to watch. Okay, let's watch my other one here and see what this one is. There's Jonah. Yeah, see, Jonah starts off really nice with that. Oh, Jonah, I like that, man. That was no, that wasn't the one I saw of him. But dude, that was a nice turn, Jonah. I like that. I haven't watched this clip yet. Nice little exit, 1 foot kick out. So let me see here. That was a good little turn for me. And then a little push off exit, 1 foot dismount. And I just try to get a little speed right there. Try to open up. See, I'm still too stiff right there. I didn't open up my shoulder enough. I'm kind of like arms in front a little bit, like I'm trying to barrel. See, my left shoulder, I'm not opening it up at all. And that's what we're going to start working on tonight. We're going to start working on consistency with the pop-up. All right, this was last night, and this was, I felt, one of the best rides I had all night. I loosened up. I still need to go more top to bottom, but I started opening up my shoulders more, which allowed my hip to come up. Good drop in. I was a little in the whitewash, so I had to work my way over. That was a nice turn. And again, see how I'm dropping my shoulder a little bit? Still a little stiff, but I am opening up, and that takes confidence.
So once again, flexible and kept me nice and warm as the other guys are definitely freezing in their 4.3s. Here I am nice and toasty in this one. Now, something to keep in mind is I'm going to show you a better way to secure your zipper. I had a couple pretty good wipeouts on the wave, and my zipper actually was pulling down a few times because I didn't latch it properly, so I'll show you how to do that in just a little bit. Okay, now if you're just using this for scuba diving, surfing, this is not going to happen to you, but I'm just letting you know this is a review video. And so the material on the jacuzzi steps, as I was just kind of sitting there, unfortunately it kind of is frayed a little bit. Now, it's not ripping holes, but it just seems like it's just kind of fraying a little bit easier than it should. Same thing with leaning up my back against the stairs. Now, obviously the stairs in the jacuzzi were concrete, but I'm just showing you what is happening to the tush area as I was using it in the jacuzzi afterwards. Now, obviously, if you're not going to be doing that, that won't happen to you. Now, the front of it, completely perfectly fine where my stomach laid down on my traction pad on my surfboard. And so again, just that little frivel area is where I had my back up against the jacuzzi and my rear tush, as we can see right here on the steps, sitting on the cement step of the jacuzzi. And for the back zipper, I would definitely highly recommend making sure that's all the way pulled up and then nice and velcroed right there. Now again, if you're using this for scuba diving, snorkeling in cold weather, I took some pretty heavy wipeouts, so it could have potentially came down, or I just didn't have it zipped up the best possible way. You could go ahead and latch it up like this, where you put your zipper strap up like that, and then you would have it like that, and then there's no way to pull it down. So I would actually do that if you have any issues. You just do it like that. That's not gonna bug your neck. Instead of having it below like this and velcroed up like this here, you would simply have it all the way up, velcroed like this, and that's not gonna come down on you. Again, review video, so I'm just stating what happened to me at the wave pool a few times, using it for multiple sessions. I think I used it for a total of about 6 hours, 6 or 7 hours in the wave pool. Kept me nice and frothy, definitely warmer than a 4.3. So overall, kept me nice and warm. A couple things I wish it had, which we've already mentioned: a little bit longer in the ankles, a little bit tighter in the ankles and arms right here. You might not have an issue, but it's just my build of my body. Overall, for keeping me in the game, because when I am cold, I do not surf well. I stiffen up. Even when the water level came back up, I was wearing a thicker suit. Guys were trunking it, and I was in a 4.3 just because I like to be a little bit overheated than chilly. That is absolutely for sure. So these are my honest thoughts and opinions. I hopefully you have enjoyed the video. Once again, top link in the description box below will be this exact same wetsuit, where you guys can pick it up yourself. Comes in a couple different colors, but just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind, hit that thumbs up button on your way out. Helps the channel. And my name is Chris, and I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.